Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. So today we have another unboxing of one of the watches that I wanted to compare to my new purchase, the Citizen EcoDrive Flieger Chronograph. So I decided to get some watches from Try Before You Buy on Prime, and yeah, this is now the fourth watch. So basically, I opened three other watches before that, so check out the videos. And this is the fourth one and the most one I was excited about because of the looks of it. And until now, three out of three from the previous unboxings were a miss, let's say. And I will show you that in the comparison video that will come out in a couple of days. Against the Citizen, so be sure to check them out. Anyways, if you're new to this channel, wow, that looks nice. I open, unbox, review, give my opinion on watches and watch matters. So if you're interested in these kind of topics, be sure to subscribe. What's this? So it has a Miyota inside. That's good to know. That's not something that you find in every watch. By the way, I love this because it gives you the battery, gives you the caliber 6S1121, and you know now that this movement is Miyota. And from just opening the watch, the weight is much more substantial than the other ones that I opened in the past couple of days that you saw. And actually, I unboxed all four after each other, but you will see the videos in a sequence of 2 days because I'm trying to get a video or a short video out in March. So if you want to support that, be sure to leave the like button and leave a comment if you like this. So basically, that's the G11-005. And here I take it out and give you even a nice thumbnail. Oh, I can do it at the end. That looks really nice, to be honest. So the hand moves, Supergraph. Let's see if the date jumps. Date jumps good. Here, the running seconds is at the 3 o'clock, and the chronograph is the big hands, which is the correct way to do it when you're doing a chronograph for readability of the chronograph. You have loom on the hands and indices, which is quite good. The watch has a very unique case shape. You have 10 Atmos, so 100 meters water resistant. Shape of the graphing of the boat. Stainless steel case, PLC coating. You have this very nice mesh, which one I'll actually try to get to my size. I think I'll move it maybe to here. And just by the looks of it, I really like it. By the weight of it, it feels so much substantial than the other ones I opened before. And oops, that's one of these mesh bracelet manufacturers hate arm hair, because this one just eats them away. Oh my god, that hurts, to be honest. Yeah, perfect sizing. It actually looks quite nice, I have to be honest. Does look quite nice. Stop. It has even a haptic feedback. To the chronograph, which is, you don't find it. Even the Citizen doesn't have haptic feedback. It has a small feedback on the restart, but here you have, in the start you have haptic feedback, in the stop, and then the restart, and it restarts all the way around. So let's check the dimensions of the watch. So the watch has a case size of 44 in diameter, but a lug to lug of 40, so it wears quite comfortably. But it has like a 15 No, actually 12 millimeters thickness, so almost the same as the other ones. And at least it tells you that it has a miyota inside, so you know what kind of quartz movement you're getting for your money. This is the only chronograph that I liked other than my Citizen until now from the last unboxings. Good thing I left this one to the end. And yeah, it looks quite nice. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, so 6.69 inches for your reference. And it looks quite good. It has a very, very funky vintage feel. It has I think it has a 20 meters lug width. I'm not sure. Let me check out the lug widths. 22. So it has a 22 millimeter lug width. So anyways, be sure to check out the comparison video, everybody, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everyone.